Are you a fan of sparkles? You will be after trying out this dazzling cut crease glam look in a short amount of time. A bit of color and technique to transform the look and step up your eyeshadow game. Coat the already colored dappled eyelid with some pale concealer to give it some layer definition and let the next coat of eyeshadow lock in there. Sport any color you feel goes with your skin tone. Throw in some mesmerizing glitter to complement the eyeshadow shade, and following a white graphic liner look, throw in some fake lashes for an extra pop. Another gorgeous way to go about it is combining soft warm colors and doing a half glimmer cut crease look with a more subtle of bold colors and instead blending it all equally. Notice the soft transition between colors that make it feel glam, but also take less time than glam usually does. And pepper some dazzle in there. Still not enough tips? There is more where that came from. Using the same color scheme from the other examples, blend a dark combination in a half cut crease at the tail while expanding out. The front part of the crease should be painted over with concealer to engulf the whole center and let the eyeshadow mesh with the white to create a nice alternative hue. Flick some of that sunset golden hue of highlight to the tail and notice how the blended mesh of eyeshadow and concealer create a nice variation of nuances between each speck of glitter. Finish that sharp pop-off look with a thin, long, winged straight liner complemented with some beautiful split-turned fake lashes.